Hello, what the heck is this? Is this Freddy Fazbear? I think this is very familiar. I'm in the box. What? This is the intro, bro. Bro, this is the intro. And why am I here again? Because it is part 2. And today with the scary man with no clothes on. And then the
That's a good,
OG,
by the way.
the
No,
OG.
no, Femboy.
Let's
Femboy
go.
OG.
Let's go everyone to the 3x3.
Go, go, go.
3x3 Rubik's Cube.
You, do you guys remember the guy,
Yeah,
the tall guy?
yeah.
Every time he doesn't want to play with us.
Yeah.
Every single time.
Bro.
Hey man, if you can hear me, sorry bro. He's going to post TS. But we are unemployed.
Yes. Okay. Press the X. We do not care about that.
Remove. Wait, bro, I'm not lagging anymore. Last time I was lagging.
Me too. Me too. Me too. Bro,
Adrenaline is hitting, bro. Adrenaline is hitting
why
again.
am I fast? I'm fast right now. What the heck? Oh! Oh,
Bro, my
thought
heartbeat is
it was
racing.
I
My
thought it was
heartbeat is raising canes, bro. My heartbeat is raising canes.
I thought it was real for a sec. Okay, everyone. Today this is part 2 of the Shootborn. In so long, I haven't posted the part 2. But today, there will be a part 3 because there is a night 2 in this game. Very cool. I will try that. What the heck? Fix poster.
Hey, why are you in a woman's restroom, huh? Bro. Bro!
Yo, flashlight. Oh, what the heck is that? What the heck is that? No.
Bro, it's so chill in the...
It's straight
Okay,
up
never mind. I'm not...
looking.
Poster boy. Guys, I'm not leaving. Guys, don't go at the break room. Guys, don't go at the break room. It's so freaking dark.
Bro, open your flashlight. What the heck? Open your flashlight. Where's the other
Bro, the
poster?
generator is 6-7, bro. Hey, brother, what was that?
Yo, where's the... No one will come to my room.
Bro, I'm in...
I see you.
Brother, open the door!
I will not open the door because you are very sus.
Open the door! I buy you. Bro, why is there a mimic in the game? Open the door at this side. Remove DS.
Where are you first?
Bro, open the door. Open the door.
Where are you first? In the left or the
Bro,
right?
I'm in the left side. I'm in the left side.
Okay, you're right. You're right.
I'm at the right.
You were imposter. What the heck? Okay, I'm gonna be first to go down. Please, guys, do not lock me, okay? Stop.
Goodbye, college.
What? I have no stamina. No way.
No.
Bro,
My heart is racing up, bro.
We can run freely, bro. We have no stamina. We can run freely. Very fast.
Why is this guy touching me?
No, where in the hell?
Heartbeat! It's fucking racing up! I can see anything! Oh shit!
What is this 78 heartbeat, bro? Oh my god. Oh my good. Good lang, good. Close the door. I can punch that man right now. Oh, I see the red. Oh my goodness. He's right there.
Guys, what happened?
I'm in a maze. What the heck? This is new. This is very new.
No, wait, there's
Oh my
fire!
goodness. I can't see any. Why is it red? I cannot even see anything.
Bro, just send 1,000 good videos.
I can't even see anything. Where's the settings? I I need the safety.
Bro, I'm in the dark place. Bro, I'm in the dark place.
We only need 2,000 left, bro. We can escape this right now.
There's no way you guys could. It's so intensifying, bro.
I can hear something, bro.
No!
Holy! Ooh, Delta run, Delta run, Delta run. Okay, I'm safe. I'm closing the door. Where the hell is the Godzilla? Yo, what?
Bro,
I
two
hate
posters! The damn generator!
I hate the generator part, bro. I swear.
Bro, Delta Run. I'm Delta running right now. I'm Delta running. Gusto krokodil do.
Bro, you have fuel. Who has fuel? Okay. What the heck?
Wait, I'm filling it up. I'm filling it up.
I'm going to help
You
you.
fill that up. Fill that up. You fill that up. Fill that up. You fill that up.
Yo, Binjon, help me out. Help me out right now. Where the heck is Princess? Brinson, help me up right now. Brinson.
You gotta wake it up.
What the?
Is she dead? Is she dead?
Yes, it's dead. It's dead.
Bro, did you die? No.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
only have one life.
I have to run right now.
Bro, I can't even run.
Close the door. What the heck? Why is the girl here? There's a girl here. I can't even see
Wait,
anything.
give me some time to.
Yo, I can't see anything. Yo. What the heck is happening? I hate this bro. I hate this man in the suit. I hate this man. I have one heart left. Bro, I have one heart left, bro. I hate this man.
Bro, I also have one heart left.
We only need 2 posters, bro. Why? Oh my god. I'm dead. I'm dead. Goodbye. Run. I'm freaking running, bro. I'm gonna kill this man in the suit right now. I ain't gonna do anything. He ain't gonna do anything, bro.
Uncle break.
Is he still here? Stop. Stop with the screen shaking. I'm
Bro,
gonna look at
don't
this
speak when we are already.
Oh, it's the third. We're almost 1 PS, bro. I'm freaking dead.
Siya yung backing out.
I'm freaking dead. We need to complete this right now. So, who is alive? Okay, guys. I think that is all. It's very hard to beat. Promise.
No, very hard.
I do not know where the 2 poster is right now. We need to speedrun this in the next part, okay? Goodbye. Thank you for watching the part 2.